The question says, here is the values. Base is log x, log 2x, log 4x. All of these values are different. Look at this 2, 2, 2. I can only do the calculation whenever the bases are same. When the bases are different, you cannot compare the log values. So can I write 1 upon? Acha, there's a beautiful thing about it. Log a base of b. In next coming week, we are going to complete all this part. Log a base of b is written as a log a upon log b. So if you write log a base of b, I can also write it as 1 upon log b base of a. That is correct. There's nothing wrong in it. So I can write 1 upon log x base of 2, 1 upon log of 2x base of 2 is equal to 1 upon log of 4x base of 2. All of them are coming out to be same. इसको इधर ले जाओ, इसको इधर ले जाओ, काम चल जाएगा आपका. So log of x base of 2 into log of 2x base of 2, because I have taken it there, is equal to log of 4x base of 2. Now what to be done here is log of 4x. I can write log, one formula that I want to tell. Log a into b, if the values are multiplying, we can write it as a log a plus log b. If somewhere it is written as a log of x by y, I will write it in the form of log x minus log y. So here I go, I will say log 4 base of 2 plus log x base of 2 is equal to log of x base of 2 into log 2 plus log x base of 2. A into b is log a plus b. So this comes out to be 4 is 2 square. Can I write it 2 plus log x base of 2 is equal to log x base of 2. And this is 1 plus log x base of 2. Now you can do it very easily. Put a t. Equation ban jayega, answer aa jayega. T into 1 plus t. Solve it. T square plus t. This is just base. This is not a square. So t square plus t, t will get cancelled out. T square is equal to 2. I'll say t is equal to plus minus root. This is the value that you are going to get. What is the product of the values of x? So t is what? T is log x base of 2 is the t, which is equal to plus minus root 2. Fine. I'll raise both of these values to the power of 2. I'll say from here x is equal to 2 to the power of root 2 and 2 to the power of minus root 2. That means I'm going to get two real values there. There are two values of this. Now it is asking for the product. ये values नहीं पूछ रहा है, it is asking for the product of those two values. So you know one value is 2 to the power of root 2 and second value is 2 to the power of minus root 2. Just multiply them, you will get 2 to the power of root 2 minus 2 is 2 to the power of 0, which is equal to 1. Your answer is 1.